your girl needs her eyebrows done. So we're gonna use the new brow waxing and lamination kit from Gigi. So this kit comes with literally everything you need to achieve some bomb brows. Comes with these wax strips, your brow spoolie, some applicators for the lamination, and then here is the lamination kit. First things first, I'm going to wipe my eyebrows to make sure they are clean and free of any dirt, oils, and makeup. Here is the first step. This is the brow affix, and this is going to help prep the brows for the lamination. We're going to use our Y spatula that came in the kit to apply. So we want to apply this in small sections, little by little, and then just brushing them up and out. Little goes a long way. You don't need to apply too much. Again, just doing this slowly but surely. A handy little tip, you don't want to brush them straight up. You want to go up and then out. So next we're going to use the Style solution. We're going to brush this onto our brows nice and gently. You don't want to press down too hard because that first step was acting like an adhesive. So your eyebrows stay in place and you don't want to press down too hard to disturb them. Now we're going to take our cling wrap and we're going to wrap those for 5 minutes so that product can activate. 5 minutes is up. So we're going to remove that plastic and take our Y spatula to scrape off any excess. Next step is the neutralizer, and this is going to help set the hairs in place. Apply it directly onto the eyebrow to fully coat every hair. We want them to be fully saturated. This is what's going to help keep them in the form we have brushed them in. What I love about laminating is this is going to last you up to 8 weeks. You don't want to repeat this up until 8 weeks to keep your eyebrows in the best health possible. Now that that's on, we are going to wrap them again for 5 more minutes. 5 minutes is up and we're gonna rip this baby off. I'm just gonna take my dampened cotton round and lightly wipe that off. Ooh, those look so good. Laminated brows in literally 10 minutes is insane. And I didn't even have to leave my house. Ooh. Oh, they look so good, and that was so freaking easy. Okay, Gigi. Before we apply the last step, I'm going to take the wax strip and just get rid of some of these hairs towards the end. Okay, so we're going to take the strip. I'm only going to do like half the strip first. Press it. Pull our skin taut and rip it off. Look at all of those hairs it got. Whatever stragglers you have, you could just tweeze those bad boys away. I don't want to go too crazy because I want my eyebrows to still look really full. And now for the last step, we have the treatment oil. We're going to apply that directly to our eyebrows using our cotton swab. And this is going to help bring back that hydration and moisture we may have lost by performing this chemical process. So here are the finished eyebrows. Literally did these within 30 minutes without leaving my bathroom. Like, this is a game changer. Pick your wax and lamination kit up at Ulta and share your results with me because I need to see how bomb your brows look, because if they look as good as mine, we're gonna have some nice brows this summer, okay? Until next time, bye.